Climatig provides insurers with essential climate intelligence. They utilize advanced machine learning algorithms to provide insurers with insights into the potential climate risk exposure of their portfolios. Moreover, Climatig helps insurers develop risk management strategies and products tailored to climate risks. Next on stage, Climatig.
Hello, Climatig is an insurtech platform which is developed by Altacon startup company founded in Croatia in 2019. So since the beginning, we are aiming to provide physical climate change risks for the insurance and develop high-tech solution and provide services for underwriting services for banks and insurance. Hola Barcelona, my name is Duško. I am founder and CEO of Climatig. Here with me is Alan, his Chief Scientific Officer. So the problem we are facing since the beginning is for insurers that climate change are causing tremendous financial losses because of the disasters that are happening all around the world. So floods, hurricanes, forest fires, wildfires, they are devastating the assets which is insured, and insurers are facing financial losses. On the other hand, insurers are also under tremendous pressure because of the new legislation. And legislation like taxonomy, like ESG reporting, they are stressing insurance. It's not, let's say, the best time for insurance to be right now because tremendous challenges are in front of you. So here where Climatig actually is for you. So we are trying at the same time to mitigate the risk of physical climate change on your portfolio assets, then to comply with all the new legislation, and at the same time build resilient and sustainable business for you. Climatig works really simply as API or SaaS application, and for now provides up to 8 climate hazards on each geolocation in resolution on only 10 meters on all locations up to year 2100. It's not everything. We also have, for the new investments and insurance, you have to make a prediction what to do. So for example, if you would like to buy a house here in Costa Brava, Spain, or in Nice, France, or in Dubrovnik, Croatia, and all of those houses, those are market values around 800,000 euros. They are near the coast side, but what is the exact value of that asset in the future? There's the point we are talking about. That's the thing we would like to show you how it works. So only one more thing. We will show you use case of reinsurer Marsh McLennan, where Marsh challenged us. We put their portfolio assets in Climatig, and one of those assets was really challenging. It was an offshore windmill electricity power plant. We also make calculations, so this is really important for all green energy projects. So let us show you how it works.
Hello everyone. I'm Alan, Chief Scientific Officer in Climatig. It's time to present how Climatig works live. We will start with entering the address of one asset in any part of Europe. So let's take one location here in Barcelona, and I think that the best location to enter is this conference hall. So here we are. What is mandatory here? It's to enter the asset type and coordinates, and this can be done by clicking on the map, entering the address, or directly through coordinates. A group input of assets is enabled as well. While we wait for the calculation, which usually takes about 10 seconds, we will see what it looks like once we put the entire asset portfolio on Marsh use case. Each of these assets in portfolio has their climatic score, which is a composite climate risk index between 0 and 100, which tells us the level of climate risk according to different hazards. We can look the entire portfolio analysis on the map to get a better view of them and find the most exposure assets. Select one of two IPCC climate scenario and time period of your interest. We have data for drought, heavy precipitation, sea level rise, heat stress, forest fire, strong wind, hurricane, river flood, and more hazards coming by the end of this year. You will get results fast and get the chance to underwrite your portfolio. It's important to note that climatic score is a composite indicator which consists of three parts: exposure, hazard, and vulnerability. So, for example, for forest fire, we take into account temperature, humidity, precipitation, and wind. From the vulnerability part, we take into account distance from the forest, the elevation and slope of the terrain, the type and density of the closest forest, scrubs, and grassland, all in resolution 10 meters. For this reason, I especially want to show you strong wind, because here you can also see offshore windmill electricity power plant. In the cumulative view screen, you can check which percentage of your portfolio is at low, medium, high, very high, and extreme high risk, and also which climate hazards are affecting your portfolio the most. So now, let me check if the calculation for new asset in Barcelona is done. Here we are. So this asset is in medium risk category. On climatic score screen with the analysis overview according to different hazards. You can view climate risk trends over the years for all hazards in graph and also table view. All these results can also be obtained using our API, along with the climate indices and all parameters used to calculate climatic scores. Thank you.
So we are not here to scare you with climate change. We are here to dare you to try how science and AI can work for your business, can transform your knowledge of physical climate risks. So please try it. We are stand 42. Don't stand aside and be the ones who will be the first who will use Climatig. Thank you very much.